We're eastbound on the Okeechobee Waterway. Indiantown Bridge is behind us. St. Lucie Lock is in front of us. And this is a Hattreas 48 long-range cruiser. Probably has two little bitty 105 horsepower Detroit diesels. Might even be the 453 version. Trawler. And next to Trawler on the starboard side is another trawler. Let me get a better guess what kind it is. It's kind of on the Grand Banks Marine Trader concept. Hattreas to the left, and yep, that's a Grand Banks to the right. Grand Banks trawler. So they're doing very well back here in the Okeechobee Waterway between the St. Lucie Lock and the Mayaka Lock. So there's no tide, it's all fresh water, wonderful hurricane protection. Let me scroll to the right. That's the northern shoreline we're looking at. And here's a big metal boat. Don't know what kind it is. It looks like it may be custom. Got kayaks up on the roof. 3 domes. A big dome and 2 smaller domes and a radar dome. So it's 4 domes. Dinghy davit on the stern starboard side. The name of this boat is Indigo. I guess that's because it's indigo blue. An assumption on my part. Pretty looking boat, very attractive. And it's got a household air conditioner up on the roof. See the big gray box? That's a household air conditioner. And a beautiful homestead, beautiful property, great looking lawn. If you've got any questions about cruising the Okeechobee, going through locks or drawbridges, ask Captain Chris. We've got training videos to help you learn how to do that.